told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript. This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
In response to some questions we've had about how we grade our tests and decide who's accepted as a transcriber at GoTranscript, I would just like to tell you that you do have an equal chance with every other applicant. We do not discriminate by country or gender. What we are looking for are people who can listen to the audio, do research on weird terms that are used, such as introed and initech, and if we ask them to, identify which movie those terms were from. It's really important because we have a lot of clients who do things like medical transcription or legal transcription, and they need to have terms in their audios that may not be just ordinary everyday words, and they want those words to be spelled and notated and formatted correctly. There are brand names of products like Vicks ZZ Quill that you need to properly spell and punctuate and capitalize. Also numbers, it's really important to look at the guidelines and see how numbers are supposed to be formatted. So I would say that 9 out of 10 applicants are declined because they didn't look at basic number formatting in the guidelines. You could make a case for accepting someone's application if they spelled a name wrong, but you can get past that a little bit if you at least spell the name consistently all the way through. Like earlier in the transcript, I referred to introde and initech. So even if you misspell them, at least misspell them the same way each time. That's so the client can go back and do a search and replace of those terms and make sure that they're all caught. It's really annoying when you misspell it in different ways throughout the transcript, because that's what takes the editors a lot more time. Finally, I'd just like to say that yes, we make our tests difficult because our transcripts can be difficult, and our clients expect the best transcribers that we can possibly get because they want a good finished product that's better than anything they can get for free with AI programs. So if you're just using an AI program to do this test, then it's really annoying because we will figure it out after you do a few transcripts, but honestly, it's just, you just can't do that, okay? We understand that using AI is easier, and at some point, maybe in the future, we'll start using it ourselves, and at that point, we won't be hiring transcribers anymore. We'll only be looking for editors who have good proofreading skills. So why not develop those skills now and avoid the rush?
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.